how this Boolean, basically what are the rules of reducing Boolean expressions. So following procedure can be used as a general approach. First is multiply all variables necessary to remove parentheses. Second, look for identical terms using law number 12, which was a plus a equal to a, like that. One of these can be dropped. Third is look for variable and its negation in the same term. Fourth is look for pairs of terms that are identical except for one variable. So you do at your cost. आप जो है कि घर पे इसको आप अपने से करना. For example, BC plus BB bar C. This can be written as BC, then 1 plus B bar. 1 plus B bar is nothing but this is 1. So BC dot 1 is equal to BC. Similarly, this ABCD plus, suppose there is one Boolean expression ABCD plus AB bar CD, that further can be written as ACD. We can take ACD common, then B plus B bar. This B plus B bar, as we know, is 1. So this ACD dot 1 is equal to ACD. So this ABCD plus AB bar CD can be written as ACD, or can be reduced as ACD by using various laws of Boolean algebra. For example, I have taken this example from the book, that is from this Bothman's book. You can see by going there that if we want to reduce AB bar plus AB whole bar, so or sometimes it can be asked that prove that this AB bar plus AB whole bar is equal to 0. So how it can be done? First, we will demorganize. That will, we will reduce this AB bar, and by using the law number 21, that is A plus AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this can be written as A bar plus B bar plus A bar plus AB whole bar. Then this further by using law number 12, that is A plus A is equal to A. So this becomes A bar plus B bar plus AB. Then this further reduced to A bar plus B bar plus A. Using law number 20, this AB becomes A. Then again A plus A bar plus B bar. This A plus A bar becomes 1 plus B bar is 1 bar. That is 1 plus B bar is 1, and whole bar, that is 1 bar, and that is equal to 0. So this expression or Boolean expression AB whole bar plus AB can be reduced to 0. Similarly, we take another example. Reduce the expression AB plus AC bar plus AB bar C sorry, into AB plus C. So how can we reduce this expression into the shorter version? This multiply first, then AB plus AC bar plus AAB bar B bar AAB B bar C plus AB bar CC by using law number 18. This then in further can be reduced as AB plus AC whole bar plus AB bar C by using laws 6, 8 and 9. 6 क्या था? 6 was that A into 0 is 0. 8 was A dot A is equal to A, and then 9 was A dot A bar is equal to 0. That is, we are using simply AND large. So this becomes AB plus C bar plus A bar plus AB bar C. By using law number 14, this can be reduced as AB plus C bar plus A bar plus B bar C. Then it further can be reduced as A bar plus AB plus C bar plus B bar C by using law number 14, and then A bar plus B plus C bar plus B bar, and then it will become 1 by using law number 11 and 13. So when we use our Boolean laws and theorems can be used to reduce the Boolean expressions. Now we come to the K-map. Actually, this is Karnaugh map. What is K-map? Karnaugh map. K stands for Karnaugh. Karnaugh was the scientist who invented this algebra. So that's why the name of Karnaugh, this in short form, is remembered as K-map. So what is K-map? K-map is a tool for reducing Boolean expressions. Earlier we have reduced Boolean expression using laws and theorem of Boolean algebra, but this K-map again can be used, and it is very simple. It can use in very simplified manner. So what is this actually? K-map is extremely useful technique for the simplification, minimization of Boolean algebraic expressions. In K-map, the function to be simplified is displayed diagrammatically on a map consisting of number of squares. Each square of the map represents one minimum term. Later we will call it min term or maximum term, max term of the function. Number of squares is equal to 2 power n, where n is the number of literals in the function. So what is K-map? K-map is nothing but it is simply diagrammatically representation in the form of squares. And how many squares will be there? This will be depend on the how many variables we are dealing. And total number of squares will be 2 to the power n, where n is number of variable. For example, we are dealing a K-map having 3 variables, so there will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8 squares. If there is 2 variables, there will be 2 to the power 2, that is 4 squares. So the number 1 written in a square, this is important thing, that if in a square the 1 is written, then this indicates the presence of that term in the function being mapped, while the number 0 indicates about the absence of particular term in the mapped function. In other words, we can say that this in the map or in the K-map, we will consider the square where 1 is shown or 1 is seen. So we can minimize Boolean expression of 2, 3 or 4 variables very easily using K-map without using any Boolean algebra or theorem. So in solving the K-map, we are not using any laws or theorems of Boolean algebra. So this K-map, Karnaugh maps, reduce logic functions more quickly and easily compared to Boolean algebra. So by reduce, we mean simply reducing the number of gates and inputs. As I have already said, this Maurice Karnaugh, a telecommunication engineer, developed the Karnaugh map at Bell Labs in 1953 while designing digital logic based telephone switching circuits, one important thing is that, or one more important thing is that, this K-map deals only combinational logic. What is the mean of combinational logic? Actually, when we deal about the digital electronics, or when we deal about the logic circuit, there are two types of logic. One is combinational logic, and second one, the other one is the sequential logic. Sequential logic, combinational logic and sequential logic. In combinational logic, there will be number of inputs but only one output. But in sequential logic, there will be number of inputs and number of outputs. So this K-map is used only for combinational logic, that the logic circuit which have more inputs but only one output. So as I said, this K-map is deal on the number of variables, or how many squares are there in the map involved. That will be decided by the number of variables. For example, if there are two variables, so there will be 4 squares, and this can be represented as this B oblique A, or this B can be here in place of A can be here in place of B. So this A or B can be here or there, whatever you want. So this, if there are two variables, so this can be represented as this 0 and 1. This A can be 0, either 1, and similarly this B may be 0 or 1. So this can be represented in this form. So if you talk about the 3 variables, so there will be one variable is C and AB is 2 variables. So there are 3 variables. So this can be represented as AB or C, or this can be written as AB can be here also and C can be here, or you can organize in any way. For example, A can be here and BC can be here, like that. And the representation of these, suppose if there are 3 variables, there will be 8 squares. So how this can be represented? What will be the value of these squares? For example, this 0, 0 says that A and B both are 0. Then this 0, 1, that is A is 0, B is 1. Then this AB, A is 1, B is 1. Then this A1, B0. Now one can ask a question, why not this is 0, 0, 0, 1, then this is 1, 0? Because these 2 variables cannot be inverted at the same time. That is, this can be represented at single inversion. One variable will be inverted at a one time. So this is a rule, and this is a compulsion, that we will represent the variables like this, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, if there are 4 variables in K-map, so that can be written as AB and CD. So here again, this will be written as 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and this CD can be written as 0, 0, that is C bar D bar, then C bar D, CD and CD bar. Similarly, this A bar B bar, A bar B, AB and AB bar. So this is the representation, how the 2 variables or 3 variables or 4 variables can be represented by a K-map. Now we come to this side. Suppose, as here I have written that following is the order 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this should be written here that order of variables in बाइनरी प्रोग्रेस इज नॉट ए बाइनरी प्रोग्रेशन. ये बाइनरी प्रोग्रेशन में ना हो करके दिस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय पर्टिकुलर रूल दैट दिस map will be represented only by this 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 pattern. So if there is, suppose this is a 2 variable K map, so this one is present here, only one present. So what will be the value of K map? So this can be written as, if this y is output, so y is equal to this a b bar, y equal to a b bar. Similarly, if 2 variable K map is represented as this, so this will be y equal to y, that is output, is equal to a b bar plus a b, and that can be further reduced. Similarly, for 3 input we can represent in this way. For 4 input, or if we make a truth table for 2 input, this will be like that. 0 0 0 will give 0, 0 1 is 0, 1 0 is 1, 1 1 is 1. For 3 variables, this will be, the truth table will be in this way, and for 4 variable, table will be in this way. So this table can be represented in various ways using K-map. So for example, if we take 4 variable, so this will be C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Similarly, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB, and AB bar. So what will be there, what we'll see, how can K-map is solved, what we see there. For example, if we take here in this K-map, then this will be the value of y is equal to a b bar, a b c bar plus a b c, which can be further written as or reduced as a b c bar plus c, this will be 1. So this y is equal to ab. So this K-map is reduced to y equal to ab. Similarly, if you take this pair, actually this 4 is called quads. Group of 1 in 4 is called quads, and this is pair, once in a pair. So this can be written as y equal to a b c d plus a b c d bar. This is a b c d plus this is a b plus c d bar, and this can further be simplified as a b c, we can take commons, and this is 1. So this y is equal to a b c. So what we see here, if there is a pair in a K-map, it gives 3 variables, and if there is a quad, it gives 2 variables. Similarly, if there is a octet, that will give 1 variable. For example, if you take this K-map, the octet simply means number of ones is 8. So if we can take this, so this will give the y equal to a. So when we are taking, reducing or applying K-map, octet, that is giving one variable. When we are taking quad, that gives two variable. When we are taking pair, this will be three variables. What it signifies, it says that the octet gives the most reduced version of K-map. So when going for a K-map solution, first we look for, is there any octet? Is there? Then we took octet first. Then we will go for, is there any quad? In the K-map, we will go second for quad. Then we will go for quad. And if then we will look for two variables, two ones, that is pair. So that will give three variables. So in solving the K-map, we will go for octet first, then for the quad, then for the pair. Now there are some other versions of K-map. For example, overlapping groups. If we see this K-map, then here this one and this one is overlapping. So what will happen? If we solve this K-map, so it comes as y equal to a, that is this octet is giving a, plus this one, a single one, is giving b, c, d bar. So it simply says that we can overlook the overlapping groups. We can ignore the overlapping group. Now next question is whether this map or this K-map can be rolled. We can roll this map like this. Answer is yes. If we roll this map, then we will get a quad, and that will give the answer, or the suitable answer, or the reduced. For example, if we solve this K-map for two pairs, that is this pair and this pair, so this will give y equal to bc bar d bar plus bc d bar, and this further will give, can be reduced as bd bar. So if you roll this K-map, so if we take this as a quad, so this will give the result as y equal to bd bar. So simply we can say that a K-map can be rolled also. Redundant group. Redundant means no longer needed. So a group whose ones are overlapped by other group is called a redundant group. For example, in this K-map, we can make a group or pair of these two ones, then these two ones, then these two ones. That is one pair, second pair, and this is third pair. And we solve this K-map. What we get? We will get y equal to bc bar d plus acd. It simply says that this pair is redundant. So this ABD is redundant, so we can ignore that portion, or we can ignore that pair in solving the K-map. Similarly, actually I have followed this K-map from the Flyer's book. I have already said about the book about the T.L. Flyer on fundamental of digital electronics, and you note it. But when you go to the book of Gothman, this K-map is represented in another way. So for example, I have taken only one example. We can go through the book of the Gothman. So for example, if f is a function, so this f is equal to summation of m 0, 4 10, 11, 14, 15. So what is this 0, 4, 10, 11, 14, 15? So in some books or some author has represented this K map for 4 variables. Suppose for if there is 4 variables in K map, it means there will be 16 squares. So that square can be represented as, look at 0, 1, 3, 2. This is not 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. In space of 2, 3, this is represented as 0, 1, 3, 2. Similarly, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. So this is the way of representing the K map. So when this 0, it simply mean that we are talking about this square. When this 4, we are talking this square number 4. If this is 14, we are talking about this. But remember that this K map will be represented only in the form of 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. So this can be solved, or this, for example, this one shows that this term is present, then this is nothing but A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, plus this is A bar, B, C, D, C bar, D, plus this is A, B bar, C, D, plus this is A, B, C, D bar, plus this A, B, C, D bar, plus this A, B, C, D. So terms like that can be added, and this will give a Boolean expressions like this, and this can further will be reduced as this A, C bar, A bar, C bar, D bar. So this F of summation this is equal to A bar, C bar, D bar. So what these numbers show that these are the number of squares, but these squares are numbered in this way. So we go to the Bothman's books and repeat it, and for today this is okay.